My name is Peter van der Werf. I'm Senior Manager of Operations here at Lelystad Airport, and we are currently standing in front of runway 05. In 2018 the main runway of Lelystad Airport was extended. Runway 0523 was extended to 2,400 meters. We have a new taxiway at the northern side of the airport, and both the runway and the taxiways needed to be lighted with a new system. We wanted to have the latest available technology on our aerodrome, and that's the reason we've chosen for said technology. The cooperation with TKH was very smooth. The project was delivered on time, and it was on budget. The CED technology offered us great flexibility in the way we control the lighting system, and on the other hand the installation of the system. The thing I like the most about the lighting technology is that it offers great flexibility. For example, when you want to expand aerodrome infrastructure, you can easily adapt to the existing system. Since 2018 we have the lighting system in use. No major disruption since then. The system is very reliable, and in case of any maintenance there's a huge flexibility when it comes to replacing lights, for example.